In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Docusign account using the best method. If you're ready to move on from Docusign and close your account, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and simply enter the URL for Docusign. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here for a while. It's essential to ensure you're on the official site for security reasons. Next, you'll need to log in. Look towards the upper right hand corner of the page for the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have your email and password handy. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry if that's the case. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Docusign home page. Now let's head over to the admin section. This section contains most of the settings and controls you might want to access. Find admin on the top navigation bar and give that a click. This will take you to the admin dashboard where you can view and modify various account settings. Once you're in the admin section, you'll need to locate plan and billing. This is the area where all payment related settings are managed. It's relatively easy to find. Just look for it in the sidebar or the main section of your admin dashboard. Click on plan and billing, and you'll be taken to the page that outlines your current plan details. Finally, on this page, you'll see the close account option. Clicking on this will initiate the process to permanently delete your account. It's crucial to ensure that you no longer need access to any of your documents or settings before proceeding, as this action is irreversible. Follow any on-screen prompts or confirmations, and your account will be closed. Remember, if your account is linked to any billing or active agreements, make sure those are resolved to avoid any complications. And that's it, you've successfully gone through the process of deleting your Docusign account. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, Docusign support is always available to lend a hand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day.